Hello and welcome to the complete Django API course. I am your instructor Jan Patankar. In this course, we are going to build complete authentication REST API in Django. And after that, we test our API with Postman. Before you go ahead, I want to tell you it's not a beginner course. You need a basic understanding of Django and REST API to get started. I am using PyCharm as my code editor, but you can use VS Code as well. I will show you how to install both on your computer. Building a REST API is intimidated at first, but trust me, it's never been so easy. I will show you how you can create and build a token-based sign up, login, change password, reset password, and a reset email functionality. And we also test our API with Postman. Once you learn that, you can use as a foundation to build any app or project. It should be pretty simple to follow along. But if at any time you get lost or if you have any question, absolutely send a message. In the next video, we will download and install Python in your computer. I will see you in the next video.